To have stronger and pretty hair is necessary to take good care of it. Do you take time off your day or week to take care of your hair? Today you will learn an amazing and natural recipe to revitalize your hair at home. Do you want to know how? You will need some clay and coconut oil. Have you tried that yet? You can use this mixture to take care of your hair without spending too much, since regular use will bring good results. Clay is a natural ingredient that has become famous as a cosmetic treatment for hair and skin in most spas. We even have a video about the different types of clay and how to use each one to treat your skin and hair. Clay helps restore the keratin lost to environmental aggressions, and also remove the excess of fat and dead skin cells, cleaning the hair follicles and sealing the hair, all while hydrating the hair. Not to mention that clay also strengthens the scalp. Coconut oil also strengthens the hair and helps with many other hair issues, like dandruff and psoriasis. Besides that, coconut oil also stimulates hair growth, repairs split ends, hydrates, and repairs some of the damages caused by sun exposure, restoring the shine and life of your hair. Watch the video to learn how to make the recipe. If you are looking for a natural solution to repair your damaged hair, you will surely love this recipe. Try it and then share your experience with us.